today, another unique waterfalls and kaliguan in Barangay San Jose, of course, Santa Catalina, which is very near Barangay Poblacion. We hike all the way. The activity we love doing, reach Barangay San Jose proper, then going to Sitio Inamahan, and around less than a kilometer from the main road is the beautiful Sitio Cadlum. We have our young and dynamic municipal engineer, Fidel Ayanibali, with us. Of course, the Media Bureau, led by Sir Brennan Contemplacion, who can attest that the road leading to the waterfalls is near the main road. It needs opening of road with the consent of the landowners in the area. We pass by farmlands, trudging in Sapa or Creek, which has a crystal clear water, boulders, sedimentary rock formation, nice stones of different colors. Mga hinigugma, Cadlum Waterfalls is not high in elevation, but it has clean, clear waterfalls surrounded with rock walls. You're like inside a coconut. Mother Nature hides these beautiful waterfalls from man. What is very unique in these waterfalls is there's a natural walk-through or boardwalk on the side going to the main falls. Nature allows visitors to sit on the sideline, or you can even dive on the deep water. The waterfall has strong, abundant flow from a lagoon up on a higher level. Mga hinigugma from Sitio Cadlum, we went back to Barangay proper and make a turn to Sitio Kabog-otan. But this one, we are promoting the Big Rock.
Welcome to the Big Rock in Barangay San Jose. Lahat na Santa.
Is the same natural pool and the area on the side of Barangay San Jose, which is within the course of the river.
Interview tong pinakagulang jud diri nga si Porquilio Villalon. Kaning formation sa Big Rock 1980 pa ni siya na diskubrihan katong adunay usa ka linog. Then pagkahuman sa linog muna ni nga na buta nga nahimong formation sa mga rocks.
Visit the Big Rock and Cadlum Waterfalls. Lahat ka sa Santa!